Hello and welcome to the TTU Counseling Center's Digital Student Success webinar series. If you or someone you know is having a mental health emergency, please call 911 or go directly to the nearest emergency department. Hello, my name is Angela Rector and today I'll be discussing a PowerPoint on time management that hopefully you'll find helpful. To begin, I'll discuss some steps to managing your time. There are 5 steps that we'll focus on, with the first one being declutter, stay organized, plan and prioritize, focus and finish the job, and stop procrastinating. Moving from home to college can be challenging, especially when it comes to organization. You no longer have someone reminding you to pick up your room, and things can quickly get out of hand. Studying in a messy room can result in decreased productivity and difficulty focusing. Some simple changes with under-the-bed storage containers, over-the-door shoe organizers, and stacking storage cubes can be very helpful. Other ideas to help you declutter include digital files to avoid piles of paperwork and decluttering your email. To stay on top of your classes, being organized is a must. Purchase a planner or planner app and enter all projects and exams in your planner as soon as you receive your syllabi. Figure out a system that works for you with taking notes and make a list of things to do with your assignments. Remember to have supplies that you need for each class, with binders and folders labeled or color-coded to help with organization. Plan and prioritize your task and create a schedule. Research recommends to set aside 6 to 9 study hours per week for every 3-hour class. Continuing with planning and prioritizing, it's important to exercise in between study sessions. Recent studies indicate that exercise seems to increase the production of biochemicals in the body and brain related to mental function. Other studies, especially with women, indicate that running on a treadmill increased memory by 20% than without exercise. Also important is to remember to plan at the beginning of each week. Focus and finish the job. When you're in the zone, you will be more efficient and productive. It's a good idea to turn off your cell phone during study times. Also, be aware of how much time you spend on social media and video games. Let your friends know your schedule so they won't reach out to you when you're busy studying. Stop procrastinating. Procrastination is a common struggle for all of us. It's important to become aware in areas where you're most focused and most distracted, and this helps to increase self-awareness. On this slide, I've included a handout that can assist you in identifying which areas you may be struggling in when it comes to procrastination, so you can begin taking steps of improvement with time management. And this is also a handout, week by week, breaking down my week, that can assist you with identifying what you need to focus on and break down larger goals into more realistic tasks. Remember to make personalized, specific deadlines, commit to each task, and if helpful for you, work or study alongside of a friend as long as this is motivating for you. In review, remember, effective time management reduces your stress level and leads to success. Say no to distractions and always be prepared. Set goals and make a schedule, and maximize your time by employing the time management strategies. And believe in yourself and know that you can do it. The TTU Counseling Center is located in Rhoden University Center, room 307. Our hours are Monday through Friday from 8 until 12 and 1 till 4:30 p.m. You may reach us at 931-372-3331. Our after-hours crisis hotline is 372-3331 or 855-206-8997. The crisis text line is available also by texting 741-741. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is 1-800-273-TALK or 1-800-273-8255. For more information, please check out our website at www.tntech.edu/counsel.